have an April edition of Glossybox to unbox with you today. This is what the box looks like. Exciting. I don't know what's inside. It's going to be a surprise for me. I can't even remember what the sneak peek that we had in last month's box for this month's box was. So yeah, that's good. That is good because it just gives me a bit more excitement, I suppose. So if you're new to Glossybox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it is. It is a beauty subscription box. It's a monthly box, so you pay £13.25 a month, which is one of the cheaper boxes, which I like. Inside you get a mix of beauty items, so it's skincare, makeup, could be accessories. We've even had chocolate. And you get about 5 or 6 items in there. And the value always exceeds the actual cost of the box. I think last month's box came to around £90. So with all my unboxings, I like to tot everything up and give you a figure. So if you were to go out and buy these all individually, you'll know how much it'll all cost. So yeah, it's quite exciting. So let's open it. So I can see pictures on here, so I'm not going to look. We get a card inside the box and it has all the information about the beauty products in the box. So I'm going to just put that down to the side. So it's beautifully wrapped. Open it up. Oh, and I'll show you quickly. There you go. I can see a lot of black and something yellow. So I'll put this down to the side of me. So picking up the leaflet again, without trying to see what items I've got inside the box, I just want to see what this month's theme is. So it says, this month is dedicated to all things nostalgia. For the whole of April, we'll be taking inspiration from generations past, bringing you a fresh twist on old classics, from Brigitte Bardot's signature cat eye in the 50s, 70s inspired colourful body products, to 90s bold lips. Ooh, we're paying homage to our favourite beauty styles in the past. And the 80s, you ask? Well, some things were only acceptable in the 80s, the glossy team. And it has a May sneak peek, and it's this fabulous vegan and cruelty-free duo shampoo and conditioner will transform your hair, containing no nasty sulfates or parabens. The Swedish professional hair care brand Maria's Nyla has been on our watch list for an age. Hurry up, May. There you go. The top corner there, hopefully you can see. So that will be in our box for next month. So let's start. Let's see what my first item is. What is this? Ooh, it's an Eyeliner London Fat Liquid Eyeliner pen. Have I had this before? I'm not sure. I've had quite a few liquid eyeliner pens in subscription boxes. Recently had one in pink parcel a couple of days ago, but that was a fine long one. So this is a fat one. Ooh, so that's what that looks like. I'll just show you the nib. Oh, it's quite nice. It's just like a felt tip pen. I'll just show you what it looks like there. Yeah, really nice. Really black. Very liquidy. Yeah, it's a nice pen. I'm not sure if I've had it before or not. I can't remember. Eyeliner rings a bell, but I think I've had a mascara. I don't think I've had a liquid eyeliner before. So now I look forward to trying it. It's something I wear all the time, and if you see my pink parcel video, I said the same. I love having liquid eyeliners because not all of them suit me, not all of them I like, and to be honest, a lot of them I give away because they just don't suit me. But it's nice to try new ones to see, you know, what new ones and good ones are out there. So now I look forward to trying them. So the information in the leaflet says that it's a full-size item and the recommended retail price is £16. So it says, remember the big bold lines that Brigitte Bardot rocked in the 50s, Twiggies in the 60s and Kate in the 90s. The it girls over the decades have shown us that a heavy liner never goes out of fashion. Recreate all the looks with this smudge-proof fat liquid eyeliner. Tag hashtag GlossyboxUK to share your winged beauties with us. So that's my first item. Yeah, quite happy with that. The next... Ooh, there's a packet of something. Oh, Carmex. Now, I've never, ever owned one of these. Never. It's Strawberry Carmex Moisturising Lip Balm at Factor 15. I don't know why. I think when I was younger, I'm nearly 42, so I'm talking 80s, 90s. I'm sure in my teen years this was quite a cool brand, or am I just going back too far? Maybe in my 20s, I can't remember now, but it was quite a cool thing to have a Carmex moisturising lip balm. I do remember that, but I obviously was not cool because I never had one. So now I'm excited to try it. Shall I open it? I am quite excited to try this actually. Strawberry flavour. Oh, it feels nice. Oh my gosh! Oh, it smells like strawberry ice cream. Really nice. It's like 10 gram. there you go. So the information says that this is a full-size item and the recommended retail price is £2.79. So KARL have been protecting, prepping and perfecting lips since the 80s. It was when I was a teenager then. Burst from strawberry flavour, this classic lip balm protects and moisturises your lips, keeping them luxuriously smooth for any occasion. A real multitasker. You can also use it as a primer for lipstick staying power or as a gloss over your favourite colours. Containing SPF 15, your lips will be protected all year round. Oh, I like that. I do like that, and I finally get to try it. So that's my second item. And a third item is a pot or something. Effect, what is it? Affect. Transparent, oh brilliant. Transparent loose rice powder with matte effect. That's what the outer packaging looks like. And that's what it is there. Is it upside down? I'm not too sure. Oh, I have run out of my loose powder. I buy Vichy Derma Blend. It's from my acne days. I just love it. I absolutely love it. And I've run out and I haven't bought any since. So this is going to be really, really interesting to try and hopefully I like it. Well, it's translucent, so, which is a bonus. But rice, I've never tried a rice powder before. Ooh, quite exciting product. I don't want it to tip all over me, can you imagine? Oh, just my luck as well. Oh, there's more here. Oh, see? Look. Typical. Well, I don't need to take any out now. I can just swatch what's on my body. No, okay, so there's a little bit on my hands. Yeah, it's just like normal powder. Not for clothes. Oh, I like that. I really like that. I've never heard of that before. So, Effect. So we got quite a bit in there. So it's a 10 grams. So what does it say here? So this is a full-size item and it would cost you £9.35. So move over banana powder. Banana powder doesn't suit me. I'm too pale. It just makes me look dead. So yeah, unfortunately. So move over banana powder. There's a new celebrity on the scene. Introducing rice powder, a combination of mica and rice starch, which gives a perfect matte finish. This is one of our makeup bags must-haves as it's the perfect makeup setter, instantly absorbing oils, setting foundation and lipstick without the cakey look. Top tip, press the powder onto your skin while your foundation is still wet with a flat shaped brush or powder puff. No, really happy with that. Oh, quite happy. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Okay, I recently had this. I had one last week from, this is Powder Beauty Drawer, but first time I got this, it's a face bronzer. I got it in Glossybox actually last August, I believe, August or July. So it's a duplicate. So I've already had it, and it says on the back, not for sale. Oh dear. Maybe we've got maybe we've got extra items in the box. I'm not sure. But anyway, this is Model Launcher, and it's a Safari bronzer. So there, it looks super cool. Really, really cool. Now, I'm not keen on it. That's why I'm like, I am not keen on it. I'm not going to touch it because I will give it away. But it's okay. It is okay. When Glossybox first brought it out last summer, lots of people loved it. A lot of you lot loved it as well. You said you really liked it. But I didn't like it for me. I just found that I like... For bronzer, I like to have one colour so I know what I'm doing. If it was a highlighter or a blusher or something, that's different because I apply it right at the tops here. But for a bronzer, I like to apply it, you know, mainly all over my face. And because there's all different colours in it, like the, you know, the zebra print and all that, and it's a little bit shimmery, it just wasn't for me, unfortunately. So I'm gutted, actually. We've got it in a box again. So this is a full-size item, and the recommended retail price is £20. And it says it's a Model Launcher Safari Bronzer. Bring on the 90s with this leopard print bronzer. The talc-free, mineral-enriched formula looks as good on skin as it does in the compact. Created to be versatile for every complexion, it has a long-lasting waterproof formula, allowing you to keep on glowing all day and all night long. Sweep it on where the sun would naturally hit cheekbones and the bridge of your nose, then over your forehead and chin. So that's my 4th item. Never mind. And just feeling out. Ooh, it feels like it might be my last item. So there's 5 in this month. So what have we got here? KARL Lagerfeld and MODELCO. Ooh, so it's a baked blush, rose beige blush. Ooh, wow, KARL Lagerfeld. Ooh, that is cool. Alright then, let's just see what it is. Let's see what it's like. Oh, the colour is gorgeous. Oh, look at that. Look at the packaging. Oh, that is really nice. Oh, oh, wow. Oh, that is stunning, stunning, stunning. I absolutely love that. It's got pinky undertones, but it's also quite corally as well. Corally, is that even a word? So it's a sort of blush that would suit a heck of a lot of people. So it is shimmery, but it's quite subtle. So perfect for me, because I love a dewy shimmery look as opposed to a glitter full-on glitter ball look, you know? I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it on my skin. Oh, that is so beautiful. It is gorgeous. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. So, what's it say here? So this is a full, oh my gosh, everything in this box is full size this month. So this is full size. It's a Glossybox early exclusive. Hasn't even been launched yet. It says here, launch date yet to be released. Woo! But it's by MODELCO Cosmetics. So it doesn't say how much it will cost. So I don't know how much it would be. But it says, from the bold and daring blush of the 80s to the natural look we're sporting now, we've come a long way, thank goodness. Say hello to this incredible baked blush that brightens and highlights every complexion to create a catwalk inspired glow. The luxurious pressed powder and micronized colour pigments deliver a sheer natural radiance that lasts all day. Oh, I love that. I do. I think that's my favourite product in this month's Glossybox. So I'm just going to gather all the items together and I'll tot up how much they would all come to, and then I'll get back to you. Right, so all these items, because I can't give you a price on the baked blush there, so the rest of the items come to about £48, but this Safari bronzer says not for resale, but if you were to buy one exactly the same size as this, it would cost you 20, so I'm counting the 20 in it. So you're looking at around, how much did I say? My brain's gone mush. There, £38. I had to go off and recount it all up again. Anyway, so yeah, so you're looking at about £38, but with this, who knows, I'd say, I don't know, 15, 20, I'm not too sure, 10, I'm not too sure. So you're looking at a price above the cost of the actual box. I know I'm quite chuffed with it. It's not as wow as I'd say last month, especially as I had that illuminating stick. Oh, that was stunning. It is stunning. And my sub box favourites and overall winner video will be coming in a couple of days. It is a little bit late, so watch out for who I crown my winner for March. But yeah, I don't think it's a wow box this month, not for me. It's not a bad box by no means. I absolutely adore this blush. Can't wait to try the Carmex. Looking forward to trying a eyeliner, and yeah, this powder as well. I need one. I've run out. It's this, I think. This was a bit of a disappointment because we've had it in a Glossybox before and I don't like it. A good box, but not a wow box for me, so no. Happy though, happy to try everything. What are your thoughts? Did you get the same as me? If you didn't, let me know down below what you got, because I always love to know what other people have got. So yeah, so I hope you liked this review. So if you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more and you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel, and will you not know all that anyway now? So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care, bye bye.